In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Discord on your PS5. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, a lot of people don't know, but a few months ago, Discord was made available on your PS5, so you can play with your friends on PC and be in the same call, which is really, really cool. So all you want to do is, while you're on your PlayStation home screen, go to the very top and go to Settings. Then from here, go to Users and Accounts, right under Network. Then you're going to see authorized apps and linked services. So just go over to linked services and then just go over to Discord and click on it. Now, I already have my account linked, but all you got to do is just sign into your account. It's as simple as that. It's just going to ask for permission that, are you sure you want your Discord account to be linked to your PlayStation account? Because you can only have one Discord account linked to one PlayStation account. You can't have that same Discord account on a lot of different accounts. So you just got to make sure you definitely want it, and want it to have access to like your Discord friends list and your Discord server information, anything like that, and then you'll be good to go. You'll be able to use it. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel in the future.